Hello everyone. This presentation is about plant community. So plant community, composition and structure, qualitative and quantitative characteristics. This presentation is made by Vasava Dipesh. So community is a unit of vegetation that may represent a climax or a developmental stage forming an association. A community is an aggregation of living organisms having mutual relationships among themselves and to their environment. Plant communities are groups of plants sharing a common environment that interact with each other, animal populations, and the physical environment. Stratification. Stratification is the occurrence of plant species. Different habitat types such as trees, shrubs, herbs, and mosses differ in their requirements, therefore occupy different heights varying in light, moisture, and temperature conditions. Shrubs and herbs are able to survive in the reduced light intensity under the trees, therefore tree component reaches to topmost level to constitute an overstory of vegetation. Occurrence of different stories or strata in a vegetation is called stratification. A community in its early stage of succession has only one stratum, but in later stage many strata are developed. In grassland type generally 3 strata are found. Upper strata 1 and 2 are composed of erect grasses and herbs of different height. Stratum 3 is made up of prostrate growing species. The plant components of each strata vary considerably from place to place. These have similar life form and called synecy. Analytic characters of communities. They are directly observed or measured in sample plots. They include kinds and number of species, distribution of individuals, number of individuals, height of plants, etc. Analytical characters are of two types, qualitative and quantitative. Number 1 is qualitative characteristics. They are based on non-quantitative observations, example species composition and stratification of vegetation. They are expressed only in qualitative way. Species composition, growth habit of plants, periodicity, phenology, sociability, vitality, stratification, life forms of plants. Floristic composition, it refers to the types of species present in a community. Mostly the communities are named after dominant plant species as plants are static. By taking floristic composition into consideration, we can get an idea about the relationship between the species to the environment, the habitat of different species, and the trends prevailing in the community. The quantitative characters of plant community are as follows. They are expressed in quantitative terms. They are measured. The major quantitative characters include frequency, diversity, cover, biomass, leaf size, abundance, dominance, etc. Population density, the average number of individuals of a particular specific area present in a given unit area. This is called population density. Herbage cover, it is the round area occupied by aerial plants of the plant like leaves, inflorescence, etc. Height of plants, the height of a plant indicates the general performance of any plant species and is much used as an index of site quality for various types of trees. Height of plants, the height of a plant indicates the general performance of any plant species and is much used as an index of site quality for various types of trees. Weight, weight of a plant is a characteristic which is well judged its quantitative growth. The total mass of the plant in an area, commonly known as biomass, is the best way to find out the quantitative growth. Thank you very much. Hello everyone.